Hello and welcome to your next sound library. This time we're focusing on the plosives, so consonants who make explosions in your mouth. So the plosives are p and b, t and d, and k and g. P and b, like pin and bin. T and d, like to and do, and k and g, like cot and got. So with these sounds you have the group that is unvoiced, like t and p, and you have the group that is voiced, like b and d. Now, to know whether or not the sound is voiced or unvoiced, you can actually feel it. So let's practice. So just say the little sound, so p, and keep your fingers on your throat, p, and b, p, b, p, b. Do the same with t and d, so t and d, t and d, and then k and g, k, g. So the sounds where you can actually feel it in your throat, those are the voiced sounds. The unvoiced sounds are the sounds that don't make the vibration in your throat. So t, p, k. And voiced sounds b, d, g. So bin and pin, do and to, and got and cot. So those are the plosives